This guy over here is a great horned owl. The great horned owl's scientific name is Bobo virginius. Yes, yes. The large fat tufts on the top of a great horned owl's head are not ears. Instead, they are just feathers. There's utilized for camouflage. The ears are located on the sides of the head. This owl species prefers dense wooded areas, but they will also reside in parks and cities. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, amphibians, and reptiles. They are primarily predator